Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 15th, 2023, almost weekend. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Sudoku number 7104. 7104. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. 14 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars Tectonic? We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me check. No dual boxes I see here. This next question, a triple box. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle here? 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I do not know in which order, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here quarter boxes? I see here a quarter box. There a quarter box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Here also. More quarter boxes, not only 2 of them. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle here? Another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Upside down, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape, upside down. Here another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of these kind of L shapes. No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only one. Well, then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround a 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be here. Alright. Okay. Now. Let me see. Okay. Need to think. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means. Alright, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. Okay. Well, we need a 3 in this area. The 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. In this triple box. The 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. The only place left for the 3 in this area should be here then. Alright. Then. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, we have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3 here. Okay, then 1, 3, 4. Need to think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yeah, 2 and 3. And here also 2 and 3 is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. Need a 5 here. Well, need to think. Come on. This is taking too long. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2. Well, this box can be a 2. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and 3, I think, can also not be there, the 2 and 3, because it's connected with that box. Should be also a 2 or a 3. If I place a 2 here, then this box should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. Same for the 3. If I place the 3 there, is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. The 1 should be here, 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box, I think it should be a 1 because it can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. The 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So this should be a 1 here, okay, is connected with that box, should be also 2 or 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also a 2, okay, so 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 1, 3 and 1, we have, oh, wait, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 3 then, 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. I think this box should be 2. Because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright, and now, need to think. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, let me think. For the 5, need a 1 here. Well, we need a 1 in this area. This box can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so the only place left with 1 should be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and the 5 as a pair in this area. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. Then 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes in this quadra box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there, the 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. So it's not a solution to place the 4 here. The only place left for the 4 should be here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. Oh, wait. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. Need a 1 here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a double 5 there, so I cannot place the 5 here. If I place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here, and the 2 goes here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Need to think. Come on. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Need to think. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Well. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And I need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Okay. So the 3, the 2, and the 1 is missing here. Alright. Let me think. 3, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yeah. Can it be a 3? Yeah. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. So I cannot place it here also. It's connected with that box. So the only place left for 2 in this quarter box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Is connected with that box should be also 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. That means that those two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. Well, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Because this box can be a 3 here. So 2 numbers left here for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left here. The 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars puzzle. It's not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Friday. See you tomorrow. It's a weekend. And until then, bye-bye for now.